Hello everyone, welcome. In this video I will show you how to make a scatter plot in Google Sheets. Alright, so as you can see I've got some very random example data created in here. So I've got raw data and average date. It's just random, it doesn't really matter, it's not important. So first of all, to begin, we need to create a chart. So for that you need to select all of your data like that. And now you go to insert and then press on chart, and as you can see our chart is now created. Or as you can see, our sheets detected our chart as a line chart, but we're not looking for that, so just press on this drop down here where it says chart type and select the one on the right from the top, which is the scatter chart. And as you can see, now we have our scatter chart selected. Alright, if you want to customize your chart and be able to see the actual tendency of your chart, like have this line going and showing you if it goes down or up, you need to click on customize, then you go to series, and then you need to scroll down a bit and select the trend line. And as you can see, I have my line signifying that my graph actually goes down, my chart. Also, if you're looking to customize anything in here, feel free to press on this right arrow and select anything you want. You can customize your chart in any way you want, but in general this is how you make a scatter plot. If this was helpful, please subscribe and I will see you in the next one.